Hiring new team members is an important part of growth for any business. Sometimes it's tempting to save money by hiring independent contractors rather than employees. While this can be a great option when it's done correctly, it can be extremely costly when it's not. You might be thinking, my independent contractors all signed an agreement. However, that might not be enough. Now we've got you asking, what's the difference between an employee and a contractor other than all those taxes? Here are 5 signs your contractor might actually be an employee. The first question to ask relates to control. Do you dictate when and where this person works? Do you dictate how the job must be done? Do you provide the employee with equipment such as a phone or computer? If the answer is yes to most of these questions, she might be your employee. Contractors control their own hours, work, location, and equipment. The second question to consider is whether the services provided by the contractor are an essential part of your business. If the contractor deals directly with your customers or primary source of business, he's more likely an employee. The third thing we should discuss is money. Do you reimburse your contractor's expenses? Do you pay your contractor a set salary or hourly wage? He might be an employee if you do. Contractors should be able to control their own expenses and ability to profit from their work. The fourth thing to look at is whether you want your contractor to exclusively serve your business or if you'll allow her to offer services to the general public. Contractors can provide services to multiple clients and work with whomever they please. The fifth thing to consider is the term of your agreement. How long will the contractor's project last? Employers in at-will states have the right to discharge employees at any time for any non-discriminatory reason, but contractors typically have a term or project-based agreement. If the term is indefinite or can end any time, he might be an employee. The issue of whether a contractor is really an employee or not is complex and really dependent on specifics. Misclassifying an employee as an independent contractor has serious and often expensive consequences for businesses. Hopefully, these 5 steps will help you move in the right direction. If you're still unsure, ask an employment law attorney who can assess your situation.